Hello, it's my pleasure to introduce to you this virtual meeting. We have some very interesting data to show you that we obtained with the DBLG1 system. It's now been 6 months since this closed-loop system was made available to several patients in different countries in Europe. Here's the agenda of today. We will hear Dr. Bernard Guerre, who will talk about his experience and own testimony using the DBLG1 system. We will also hear Dr. Anna Chico and Dr. Rosa Corcoy from Barcelona, and we will end this meeting with an insight regarding the future developments of Diabeloop by Eric Honecker. You know that DBLG1 system is a closed-loop system that was designed to be compatible with several components. It's already compatible with the Dexcom G6 sensor and with the IQCheck Insight insulin pump from Roche, as well as the Kaleido patch pump from Vicentro. What is also remarkable with DBLG1 is that it's coupled with a web-based platform that allow healthcare professionals as well as caregivers to have access to all data generated by DBLG1. So this system is ready for telemedicine. We have some very interesting results from the first 1,000 patients that have been equipped in Germany since April. This data show us that the time in active closed loop was 86.6%. We show that the time in optimal glucose range reached 73.4%. The time below 70 mg was 1%. The time below 54 mg was 0.2%. So overall, these results show that this population achieved what is recommended by the international consensus. If we have a closer look at the patients that had already HbA1c available at initiation, and if we apply a filter to retain those patients that had initial HbA1c between 6 and 9%, in order to be able to estimate time in range and average glucose value from the equations that has been published previously, we can show that the passage from open loop to closed loop allow an increase in time in optimal glucose range by 17.1%. The mean glucose sensor value was decreased by nearly 12 mg per deciliter, and the glycated hemoglobin was decreased by 0.42%. So overall, these results are consistent with what was already published with DBLG1, since we had shown in the pivotal trial SP7 that the increase in time in range was 12 points. With the Kaleido patch pump, we had shown in a pre-commercial launch that the increase was 16.7% in time in range, and now we show 17.1% increase. We will now hear the experience from Dr. Bernard Guerre. Thank you.